chromatism, layer peeling, scratch. Is powder coating really suitable for your product? First, let's figure out what is powder coating. Powder coating is a dry coating process used to protect metal surfaces. Unlike traditional paint, it does not use liquid materials. Instead, it is a solid powder composed of resin, pigments, and additives. During the coating process, the powder particles are electrostatically charged and attracted to the grounded metal surface under the electric field. The powder evenly adheres to the workpiece surface, providing good coverage even for complex structures. The workpiece then enters an oven for heating. Under high temperatures, the powder melts, flows, and forms a continuous, dense protective layer. Now that we understand how this process works, the more important question is, what products and applications are best suited for powder coating? If your product needs to be used outdoors for a long time, corrosion resistance becomes the key factor in this situation. Powder coating is a suitable choice. It forms a dense, protective layer that effectively resists UV exposure, rain, and long-term corrosion. In industrial environments, metal enclosures are often exposed to dust, oil, and moisture. The uniform coating layer formed by powder coating improves overall protection and reduces the risks caused by direct metal exposure. Today's factories already have largely adopted automated spraying and rapid curing processes. This enables continuous production, reduces labor costs, and improves production efficiency. For consumer products, appearance consistency is also very important. Powder coating ensures that every product has a stable and uniform surface finish, even during high-volume production with minimal color variation. With its excellent corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and long-term stability, powder coating is widely used in industrial equipment, construction, home appliances, automotive, electrical engineering, and furniture. Therefore, different application scenarios determine whether it is the most suitable surface treatment solution. However, you need to pay attention to what products and applications are not suitable. If your product involves high-precision assembly structures, the thickness of powder coating is relatively difficult to make extremely thin and perfectly consistent. This may affect the fitting accuracy between components. Powder coating usually requires curing at a high temperature of 180 to 220 degrees Celsius. Therefore, it is not suitable for temperature-sensitive materials, such as certain plastics or electronic components. For parts that require an extremely thin coating, powder coating may not be the best choice because it naturally creates a certain coating thickness. Therefore, powder coating is not suitable for every product. Its advantages are obvious, but it also has clear application limitations. From these application scenarios, we can see that, in actual engineering selection, the key point is not which process is the best, but rather evaluating three important factors. What is your operating environment? What is your cost target? And how high are your precision requirements? When these three factors are properly matched, powder coating becomes a truly suitable choice. If you found this content helpful, please feel free to subscribe to our channel.